afternoon, good morning, good day, YouTube fans. Thanks for tuning in to Driven by Gears. Hopefully y'all all had a awesome and great Thanksgiving. As you can see in my past videos, me and my dad, we went to Colorado and it was epic. It was a nice little driven road trip, as I should say. But what I wanted to tell y'all for this video was I picked up a couple of Black Friday specials. Going to be awesome for the channel. Going to bring in lots of views. Hopefully, anyway. Can you guess what it is? What would you think that I could add to the channel that would bring in more epic footage and it was a Black Friday special? Leave your comments below and let me know what you think it might be. Stay tuned tomorrow for the big reveal on my Black Friday specials. And then y'all will know what will be in store for the weekend. Also, let me know what y'all did below for Thanksgiving. So, before I tackle my Black Friday specials, the old General here has got to get a little bit of an issue with toe out or camber out, whatever. Sorry, got it backwards. Camber out. The tire's wearing out here a little bit faster than the other part, so when I lowered it, normally the wheels get turned in, so I compensated and pulled it out as far as I could. Well, I guess I went a little too far. So I'm going to have to push these in a little bit, get it more aligned a little bit better so that I can drive the General while I tackle the Black Friday special for the lifted Z71. Might give y'all an idea of what I got. The one item that I got was 30% off and free shipping. Yes, perfect. The other one was more than half price off. It was originally $169. I got it for $69. It will bring a lot more epic content to the channel in the future, especially towards larger events. So if you can guess the items that you think I got down below, then leave a comment and we'll see who gets the best answer or the closest answer. So stay tuned for the epic content coming up the rest of the week on the General and all that. I still have to finish the roof rack, as you can see here. Still got to put the power plant in the General. That'll still be up. Still got stuff to do on the truck outside the lifted Z71. So there's a lot more in store. The weather's been holding out pretty well here lately, more so than what I thought. So I'm not going to down the General until the weather gets a little bit nastier, and then I'll start putting the engine in here. Because I mean, if the weather's good, why not still drive the General? I mean, I know y'all would want to drive it around. So not to keep rambling on and saying so and so and so and so and so. How many so's can you say in a damn video? Shit. Hopefully y'all are having a great holiday, and hopefully y'all have y'all's Christmas all lined up and New Year and all that. So I'm going to try to get as much content on some stuff in before we get closer to that. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below. Hit the thumbs up. And until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.